Hi guys, so today I'm here to share with you a quick little story time. Yes, and this is a story time of how I almost got kidnapped. Listen, I have nothing to distract you guys, so just focus on your girl right now. Cool? So this happened a couple years ago when a couple of friends and I went to Fiction. So we were out partying all night. We've got Fiction, we've got Taboo. We're just out and about having like the grandest time, right? So now time for go home, and I went to my taxi stand, and basically I heard them, the taxi man loading and saying, oh, they might go whichever place, wherever I was living at the time. So I went in the taxi, sat down, so I was going home, and at this point I was so tired, guys, that I dozed off in the taxi, and I basically was out for the entire journey, only to wake up and realize that I was in a completely different town from where I was going. Listen, anxiety attack, same time. So I was like, driver, where are we? So he was like, oh, we're in Linstead. I'm like, sir, I don't live in Linstead. I'm